everyone. We're headed up, and then down to one of our favorite places in Northern California on the coast, Usal Beach.
The road to Usal Beach is located off of Highway 1 about an hour north of Fort Bragg, California. This 6-mile road is unpaved, steep, and narrow, and four-wheel drives are highly recommended.
Feel it now every time I leave. It hits me hard and it cuts me deep. I'm 1,000 miles from happiness, 1,000 miles from you. Far reach from you to me. I feel the time and the space between. It's 1,000 miles of loneliness, 1,000 miles from you. Every mile on my map leads to you. It leads to you.
We were excited to get to camp and meet up with our friends Nick and Sarah, who had recently purchased and built out their own four-wheel camper, Project M. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We hope that whatever you're doing this holiday season, it's surrounded by friends and family and, of course, full of lots of adventure. To earn our Thanksgiving dinner that we would make later, we hiked the Peter Douglas Trail. The northernmost trailhead is close to camp and takes you through a magnificent grove of old-growth redwoods that were sculpted into fascinating shapes by the salty winds. There are also some incredible views of the Lost Coast from the highest points on the trail.
It's cool how it's hanging on by such a small piece compared to what's hanging down there, huh?
Yeah, the candelabra trees, stunning. Forced to grow this way because of the salty ocean air and lots of wind, and out of that comes their need to create lots and lots of trunks.
It's a redwood.
It is a redwood, beautiful tree. After our hike, we headed down to the beach for some pup playtime and to send a few Thanksgiving texts to family and friends, since this is the only area where we had cell reception. Back at camp, we were ready to get our Thanksgiving meal underway. We cooked a turkey breast stuffed with sausage in the Dutch oven, along with all the traditional Thanksgiving sides.
Look at that turkey. Sausage stuffed turkey.
Oh, it's as long as it doesn't look like the other bread.
Turkey, cranberry sauce, stuffing, taters and gravy, and green beans. And bread, maybe.
Oh, I think it's good, bro.
Big monkey. Mm. This is how we sleep. Wes takes up over half of the bed.
And then demands all the cuddles in the morning.
All the
And the floor
cuddles.
scratches. You see his teeth.
The next morning was magical with a beautiful sunrise and the salty ocean air. Sadly, it was time to pack up and head out to our next destination on the trip.
Leaving Usal Beach and headed into Fort Bragg. Gonna camp at McCarricker State Park for the next couple of days and do some crabbing and celebrate this guy's birthday. So Brian, what out of 1 through 10, what would you rate Usal Beach campground as overall?
9.
9.
Yes. I like that it's not that easy to get into. Not just anyone can get in here. And it's pretty wide open. And it's just beautiful here on the beach.
But
We
you-
don't actually camp on the beach because you're not supposed to.
No, you're not supposed to camp on the beach. What did you think of the wind though? Both
Wind
nights?
gets bad at night, for sure. If you were in a regular tent on the ground, you would probably hate this place.
Yeah, the 4-wheel does pretty good. You get gusts that come through and you definitely feel it rock the truck a little bit, and it'll make some noise, but definitely not like a canvas tent.
You just have to make sure all your stuff is squared away before you go to bed. So you don't wake up to a yard sale or missing chairs and trash.
Well, and the other reason for making sure it's all squared away before you go to bed is the moisture.
Yes.
So the fog rolls in, and if there's anything left out outside at all, it'll be pretty soaked by the next morning. Pretty awesome trip though.
We spent 2 more nights at McCarraker State Park, where we met up with Brian's folks and celebrated his birthday exploring the beautiful beach, crabbing, but unfortunately with no luck this time around, and making more meals in the Dutch oven, like this taco casserole as requested by the special birthday boy.
Bent on destruction, I strayed from confession.
It never seems like we have enough time on these Northern California camping trips. There's something magnetic about the coast here that keeps us coming back year after year. We hope you liked following along for our adventure and that you'll subscribe to our channel to join us for more adventure out there. Happy trails.
I was running on empty, on the wrong side of